Lily, a young girl with a kind heart and an ever-present smile, walked along the cobblestone path, her mind clouded with doubts. Despite her efforts, she couldn't shake the feeling that she wasn't enough. She watched her classmates pass by, their laughter echoing in her ears. Lily wandered deeper into the forest, her footsteps soft on the moss-covered ground. An old owl, with eyes full of wisdom, noticed her and asked,
Why do you carry such a heavy heart, young one?
I don't like myself.
Lily replied.
I'm not as smart as my classmates, not as talented as my friends, and I feel like I'll never be enough.
The owl led Lily to the edge of the pond.
Look into the water.
It instructed. Lily gazed at her reflection, noting her imperfections.
Throw a pebble into the pond and tell me what happens.
The owl urged. Lily tossed a pebble into the water, watching as ripples distorted her reflection.
The ripples are like your negative thoughts.
The owl explained.
They cloud your vision, but just as they fade, so too can those thoughts.
Lily saw herself anew, noticing the kindness in her eyes and the potential in her smile.
Don't hate yourself, Lily.
The owl continued.
You are a work in progress, just like everyone else.
From that day forward, Lily began embracing her strengths and accepting her flaws. She stopped comparing herself to others and focused on her journey, understanding that self-love was about acceptance, not perfection. Lily imparted the owl's wisdom to her students, teaching them that self-hatred only holds them back. She encouraged them to love themselves, opening the door to a life of growth and kindness. And so, the wise owl's lesson lived on. Don't hate yourself. You are enough just as you are.